Well, we all know it takes a village to raise kiddos. We're already talking about it right now. All of us moms here just sharing. And you know what? The Maker's Place is a great go-to location that can help you with free workshops. They offer education and an opportunity to empower parents. And why not attend? As mentioned, it's absolutely free. And here to fill us in about the second edition of their upcoming health and safety workshop, we have Lauren Montgomery and Child Action, from Child Action, that is, and then Leslie Bosman. She's from the Maker's Place. Ladies, hello.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Such an incredible resource. We love the Maker's Place. But you know what? Leslie, tell our viewers, though, about the workshops that you offer.
Yeah, so the Maker's Place is Sacramento's only co-working space that has flexible on-site childcare. And we opened our preschool earlier this year in January. Yay. And we thought, you know, we have to train our preschool staff. We want to train our caregivers. Let's open it up to the public. So we've curated this really comprehensive workshop series, everything from health and safety that Lauren's going to tell us about, to talking to your children about race and diversity, positive discipline, managing behavior, a lot of things that parents need to know, but they'd rather not just Google search it. They want to be in dialogue with people.
Yes, absolutely.
And we don't charge for this. We want to open it up to the public, and we provide on-site childcare.
It's the village that we were talking about.
It is the village. We're raising it up.
Finding community is so hard, and it's so brilliant that you have this. Okay, so Lauren, you did the health and safety workshop.
I did.
Now you're doing the second edition, so fill us in.
Okay, so the first one, we talked about the why and the how. Why and how children get sick and pick up so many germs.
Yes.
Oh, yes, it's the season.
It really is. And we also talked about the awareness that we should all have that helps with the prevention of that. So there was 3 main umbrella kind of topics that I identified for everybody. And that's for the why and the how. And that's children have not built up their immune systems yet. They're still growing. And they have also not yet been exposed to many things. Because again, they are still growing. And unfortunately, they also have habits that promote the spread of infectious illnesses. So that's kind of where we come in, you know, as adults, parents, caregivers, teachers, family members. So this next class actually is going to go deeper. And we're going to talk about practical ways that we can strategize to help them be healthy, help them develop those positive habits, and how to, here's the trick, how to implement it into our schedules. And to our daily activities.
Daily routine. All about daily routine.
Whether you're a parent or you're a caregiver, we all have those routines, and it is hard to fit everything in, but we also want to encourage the children to be involved in these routines. You know, obviously it's for them, but how do we get them to do this with us? And that is also by leading by example. So that's the next class.
Love it. When is this workshop taking place?
Next Thursday. Yes, at the Maker's Place, 26th and X. See you there.
And what time is it?
5:30.
5:30. Okay, people need to sign up, right? Save their spot.
You go to makersplacesac.com, and we have a tab at the top that says events. There's family workshops in the drop down. I'm free to register, and then if you want to book childcare, there's a second step, and it's $10 a child, and we still have space.
Yay! Fantastic. Okay, I do have to mention though that you have just been recently, or the Maker's Place has recently been recognized by the Sacramento Kings.
So we have.
Tell us what happened.
So it's really exciting. Sacramento Kings, they do a lot of work along with the city to empower entrepreneurs, to kind of get innovation going in Sacramento. So we're thankful to be part of that innovation economy, and they have this great Capitalize grant. So over, I think, 80 companies applied for it, got whittled down to the Sweet 16. We were in the Sweet 16. Then they had the Elite 8, and then we had to live pitch. About 2 weeks ago, we live pitched, and then now we're in the Final 4.
No way!
So we're one of 4 companies.
Congratulations!
Yeah, it's really exciting.
Okay, and then you get, is it a $10,000 grant?
If we do win, we get a $10,000 grant. We're really just about kind of getting the awareness out. So I was telling my husband the other night, money's nice, but I want to serve the people. Right?
You want people to know that you were there.
Yeah, exactly. So it's actually kind of fun. It goes really along with this workshop in a great way. So next Thursday, so between now and Thursday, everyone can vote on Twitter. It has to be on Twitter. So you just tweet to Sacramento Kings, so at Sacramento Kings, and then you have to do 2 hashtags. Hashtag Kings capitalize, one word.
Capitalize. Okay.
And then hashtag Maker's Place.
Maker's Place.
And
Make
then,
sure you do, everyone.
We get
Thank you so much, ladies. Everyone have a great weekend. We'll see you back here on Monday at 9 on Sac & Co. Okay, so Twitter, hashtags, 2 of them. 2 of them. So you have to do.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.